Hello, fellow educators and students.
Google Hangouts is a really quick and easy to use system that allows you to talk between staff and other members within the school very quickly and very easily. To get to it, all you have to do is go into your email like you normally do. When you're in your email, you'll see your list of email here in the middle and any folders that you have on the left. But towards the bottom, you'll see these three icons: the person, the little chat bubble, and the phone. Sorry about that. To get to Google Hangouts, all you do is click on that little chat bubble, and then you'll see this little box appear that has your name at the top. If you've had Google Hangout chats with people in the past, you'll also see a history of those people you've had chats with. If you want to chat with that person again, all you do is tap on their name, and you'll see over here on the right-hand side, a window pops up that allows you to chat with that person directly. All you got to do is just come over and down on the bottom here, just start typing your message. And then hit enter to send it. You can also insert photos by clicking on that little icon there. You can put little smiley faces and other types of emojis by clicking on that. You can expand the window by clicking that. You can make it smaller by clicking that if you want to keep it out of the way for a little bit, but keep chatting to that person, and click it again to make it bigger. Or if you're done talking to the person, you click on the X button to close it out. You can also talk to multiple people at once. So you can click on the first name, you can click on another name, and the more names you click on, it'll just keep popping them up across so you can chat with multiple people at the same time. Great tool for talking with other staff members quickly. Now, if you want to talk with somebody that isn't in this list already, next to your name here at the top, you click the little plus button. The first thing you can do is you just start typing their name. My internet's just a little slow for where I am. And that's the person you want to talk to. You just click on their name, and it will pop out over here on the right again. And in just a second, you'll be able to talk to them. And then you can start typing your message to talk to them. The other thing you can do, which is really nice, is if you want to talk to multiple people at once in a group conversation, you do the same thing. You click on the plus button over here, and you click on New Group. Then you just start typing the names. And just click on the name and start typing the next name. Click on the name, type the next name. And if you accidentally put a name in there you don't want, you'll see the little X button next to all the names. Just click on the X to get rid of that person. When you're done, just click the little checkbox. And now you'll have a message that's going out to 2 people. And that will show you who's in that list. And you can also keep adding people, or you can remove them by clicking on the X from that group chat. But when you send a message, it will go to both those people or all the people that you include in the group chat. When you're all done, some people like to leave the window up on the left-hand side, and some people don't. If you don't, all you have to do is just click that chat button at the bottom again, and it will hide it, which I'll show you in just a second. And you'll see it disappears. If somebody messages you, you will see this little chat bubble with a little green circle on the corner of it, and that lets you know that you have a new Hangout message from somebody. To get to it, you just click on it, and then you'll see at the top of the list is the most recent person that sent you a message. You just click on their name, and the box will pop up.
Don't forget to check out my site at adamontech.com, where you can submit suggestions or follow-up questions to these video tutorials. While there, you can also read my writings that explore a number of topics in greater detail. You can also leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter at twitter.com/adamontech. Don't forget to hit that like button below, and while you're doing that, also take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with my latest tutorials. So until next time, this is Adam on Tech, signing off.